Don't look crazy.
I don't want to rape ya, I just want the paper, the visa, the visa. I'm out like the one you call the macho, the head honcho, swiftness like macho. I got so much now left to be.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2021. I hope you guys had a great celebration on New Year's, and I hope that 2021 just is way better than 2020. Today I am going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. I think most of the things are the same as far as like techniques and everything. There's some things that are different. Majority of the products I use are drugstore, except for some things, probably like lipstick and setting powder, but overall most of them is drugstore. I'll link everything down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It kind of escalates as far as like my energy because I am on my periods, so yeah. But overall, I just wanted to get a video up starting the new year, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me just walk you guys through what I normally do for my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Dominique Cosmetics, ooh, it's like dirty, Dominique Cosmetics primer. Just take that on my finger. I still get pretty oily around my nose and my T-zone, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. putty primer. This is the matte version. It's like these. I mean, for $8, is it $8 or $10? This is a lot of primer, and I just pretty much put that where I get oily. Alright, so that's pretty much what's going on. So now the skin is prepped, I'm gonna go on foundation. I'm trying not to make this like too much as a tutorial. I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'm using the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the shade 475, and I normally mix that lately with the I mixed it with the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mix Pigment in the shade yellow, I think. Yeah, it's just yellow. The reason why I do that is because this is a little too orange for me, so I mix in a little bit of yellow. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora foundation brush. Just looks like this. I don't even know if they still make it, to be honest with you. If you hear talking in the background, it's my family, so don't worry about it. If I seem a little off, I am on my period, and it's kind of draining a little bit. It's draining me out. I don't know if some of you guys go through this too, but when I have my period and it's super heavy, I just don't have a lot of energy and I just want to go to sleep. The next thing I'm going to go in is with contour. I think I showed this in one of my previous videos. This is the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Mozambique. Ew. I'm just gonna go in with the concealer brush. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. I've been watching a lot of Haru. She's a professional makeup artist or a celebrity makeup artist, and she uses a lot of brushes. And then she used like this Sephora collection brush that looks something like this, but this is like way cheaper because that brush is like $22. I don't know, I don't think it's that serious. So this is pretty similar. So sorry, I'm almost laughing. But yeah, I'm trying to like wake the hell up and get more positive and stop being like hella robotic. It's just, I don't know, I really think it's the weather and just like me being on my period. I guess it's like it's not a good time to film, but I wanted to get up a video and show you guys just really my everyday routine and just how I am. I'm not always like super loud and like peppy, or that makes sense. I just want to keep it real as possible because yeah, I'm not trying to sell you guys on what I'm doing. This is not like a freaking advertisement or like a brand deal or anything. It's just me getting ready and going nowhere, just to go on my laptop and do some homework. Pretty much it. I'm gonna go in and contour my nails. Okay, so I'm gonna go set my face. I'm gonna kind of blend really quick. This is a dry beauty blender. I'm like way too lazy to wet it. I'm gonna go in with the One Size translucent powder. This is new. At first I actually didn't like this powder because it was so thick. Like it wasn't like finely milled like Huda's powder is, or Huda's powder. And it's just like a way thicker powder. And I wasn't feeling that in the beginning, but then as I like played around with it and kind of just played around with it and see how to work the product in, actually really like it. Would I choose over Huda powder? No, but I think this powder is like really good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in, let me see, I'll probably go in with my beauty blender and then bake under. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna leave that baking. Then I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I have been loving this palette. This is from Essence. This is the matte bronzer palette, and it looks like this. It's so nice, and it comes with the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super nice, and I really like this. So I'm gonna take my Nazanin BH brush and the number 6 brush. I'm gonna go in. It doesn't have any names. Yeah, it doesn't have any names, so I'm just taking that lighter shade and pretty much going here in the crease. I'm also gonna go in with this like other medium brown shade. This is a paintbrush actually. I'm just gonna go in. It's like super thin, so kind of cut the crease without like using concealer. I want to do a new favorites video because I have a lot of new favorites as of lately. Again, I'm not buying too much new makeup, but I do have some favorites, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I also have a new perfume favorites, if you guys can guess from the background. I have like some perfumes in the back. I'm telling you guys, if you're gonna get brushes, like a brush set, and you're like set for everything, it's gonna be the Nazanin BH collab. I don't know if they're still selling it. If they are, I'll link it down below. But yeah, and you guys need this too because this is only $10, and I use it for eyeshadow and everything else, like contour and everything. pretty much going in with that medium brown shade and going on the bottom. I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia and Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade, well, the whole thing is called Cocktail Party, but the shade that I'm using is called Vegas. All right, so it looks crazy, right? I'm gonna go in with powder again. I'm literally gonna, should I just like cut this off? Yeah, I just did that. I just take it off. It's kind of irritating. All right, and then go back in and bake, like right on top of that. Okay, now what that does, it kind of creates like just a blend of like this really pinky type of blush. Does that make sense? I don't know, I just think it blends a lot better and it just looks better, so trust me. Ooh, let me show you guys this. Let me show you guys my brush kind of holder. So my cousin made this for Christmas and it has my initials. So cute. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of my cousins. They made this. It's like so pretty. It's like, it literally fits like my whole aesthetic, like the bronze and like the neutrals. It's so pretty. And I get to have that with me every day and use it. And so I just put my makeup brushes in there. And that was like a Christmas gift and I love it. So let me see. I'm gonna set a little bit more here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and put on some eyelashes and I'll be back. Eyelashes are on. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner. This is the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Swerve. I'm gonna put that. Scare the shit out of me. I really want to get eyelash extensions, but I swear it's like, I don't know if I could sit still for like 2 hours. And I know a lot of good eyelash techs, but for now we're just gonna deal with eyelashes. If you're wondering what lashes I'm using, is the Ardell Naked Lashes in 422. That's the style I'm wearing, and these are like super comfortable, especially for every day, because they don't feel like anything on the eyelash or on your eyes. Yeah, so I've been wearing these a lot, and then I'm gonna go and am I shaking? I'm gonna go and curl them really quick. Yeah, I curl them just a little bit, just so it like kind of meshes with my eyelash. And it looks a little bit more like real lashes compared to the lashes I used to wear before, because I used to wear some Baddie Bee lashes, the really thick ones, and now these are just like my everyday lashes and they look pretty good. Bronzer palette and go in with a little bit of bronzer. Okay, scratch that. I'm gonna put a nude in the center because this is too much. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is my favorite. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. That's pretty much all I do for an everyday routine besides the lips. It really does change out, but yeah, I'll link everything down below. I hope you guys have a great 2021. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope that 2021 is way better than 2020. Yeah. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys.